Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So let's head over to our TikTok application. So once you are there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you are there, you will find several options or tabs in here. So what you need to do is just to head over to this repost tab, and here you will find all of your reposts. So if you tap on repost, as you can see, you reposted tag hidden it's here. So keep tapped on your screen and this option will arrive, and tap on remove post or remove repost. So as you can see, the repost tag is gone. And if you go back, you will see no videos reposted. So yeah, this is how you can just delete all of your reposts on TikTok. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.